Hey, look at this. I made a fifth wheel out of wood. Hooked up to my F450. Ready to go luxury camping. Those are Matchbox wheels, and I hooked it up with a Lego piece onto a screw. Now we just gotta wait for the glue to dry. This is my junkyard, and I've pulled a bunch of scrap wood out, and I built a fifth wheel camper trailer. Oh, speaking of the junkyard, this is more of the junkyard. All the projects I have to do. There's my welder truck, hauler trucks, my power wagon, project truck, bunch of broke down vehicles. Camaro waiting for a engine rebuild from blown engine. This tractor flip, we got it when it was flipped on its side, so left it flip on its side for now till we can upright it and restore it for the most part. Over here's the kerosene powered John Deere tractor called the Waterloo Boy. Right now it's in the middle of a restoration inside the garage, where also a race car and a Hyundai sedan are being done. Here's the Ranger with the shop trailer. The door's kind of blocked right now because the shop trailer's not in use right now. Here's the little company van it's parked in. Horse trailer, first gen on its side. C60 in the junkyard. There's a Range Rover over in the junkyard, a couple tractors in the junkyard. This tractor does run, that's why it's over here. About to get a fresh coat of paint. Not with the Sharpie, but in role play, it's going to get a fresh coat of paint. Here's my forklift, my gooseneck trailer, hooked up to my brand new Dodge Ram 2500 6.4 Hemi work truck, which used to be a project truck, but it tows really nice. Here's an excavator and a steamroller I'm working on. There's a Camaro I just repainted from an ugly color of yellow just to matte black, to straight black. Sorry about my coughing. And over there's the farmhouse and the garage. And right there is the machine shed for the farm. So I have these Legos over here because I've been building stuff with them, including the fifth wheel hitch for this fifth wheel toy hauler. No, it's not a toy hauler, it's just a standard camper trailer. In the back is the bathroom, and you have the air vent towards the front for the kitchen. And on the other side, if you can see it, here's the double-decker bed, the other bed. Up here's the front door. Over here's the living room. Up here is a bunk. Doesn't have any windows because I can't really put a window there. So, because this bunk is just for storage, it's a two-sleeper. It sleeps a child and two adults over in the bunk in the other side of the camper. And there is a TV in the living room and in the kitchen. That's all. Bye.